Imagine stepping into your backyard and seeing neat rows of lush vegetables, herbs and flowers, all growing higher than usual. This is the beauty of raised bed gardening. Raised beds are simply garden plots built up above ground level. They can be made from various materials like wood, stone or even recycled plastic. These elevated gardens offer a world of advantages for gardeners of all levels, from beginners to seasoned pros. Instead of bending over to tend to your plants, you can stand comfortably while gardening. This makes gardening easier on your back and knees. Raised beds also offer excellent drainage. No more worrying about waterlogged soil drowning your precious plants. This is especially helpful in areas with heavy clay soil or frequent rainfall. Why are raised beds gaining popularity among home gardeners? The answer lies in their numerous benefits. First and foremost, raised beds improve soil drainage. This is crucial for healthy plant growth as it prevents roots from sitting in waterlogged soil. Good drainage leads to stronger roots and healthier plants. Second, raised beds warm up faster in the spring. This allows you to start planting earlier in the season, giving your plants a head start. The warmer soil temperature also extends the growing season into the fall. This means more time to harvest your delicious homegrown produce. Building a raised bed is a manageable DIY project that can be completed in a weekend. First, choose a location for your raised bed that receives at least 6 hours of sunlight daily. Measure and mark the area for your bed. You can build a rectangular bed or get creative with different shapes and sizes. Next, gather your materials. You'll need lumber, screws, landscape fabric, topsoil and compost. Cut the lumber to size and assemble the frame of your raised bed using screws. Line the bottom of the bed with landscape fabric to prevent weeds from growing up. Fill the bed with a mixture of topsoil and compost. Your raised bed is now ready for planting. Now let's talk about low tunnels. Imagine miniature greenhouses protecting your plants from harsh weather and pests. That's what low tunnels are all about. These simple structures consist of hoops covered with a breathable fabric like row covers or greenhouse plastic. They create a warm and sheltered microclimate for your plants, extending the growing season and boosting yields. Low tunnels are incredibly versatile. You can use them to start seeds early in the spring, protect delicate seedlings from late frosts, or even grow cool season crops throughout the winter. They are especially beneficial for heat-loving plants like tomatoes, peppers and cucumbers, as they trap heat and create optimal growing conditions. Section 5. The wonders of low tunnels, protection and bounty. The beauty of low tunnels lies in their simplicity and effectiveness. They offer numerous benefits for your garden. Firstly, they provide frost protection, shielding your plants from unexpected cold snaps. This extends the growing season in both spring and fall, allowing you to enjoy fresh produce for longer. Secondly, low tunnels act as a barrier against pests. They keep out pesky insects such as cabbage worms and squash bugs that can damage your crops. This reduces the need for pesticides, resulting in a healthier and more sustainable garden. Section 6. Constructing your low tunnel, easy steps for beginners. Building a low tunnel is a straightforward process that requires minimal materials. You will need hoops made from PVC pipe or metal conduit, row cover fabric or greenhouse plastic, and some clips or clamps to secure the fabric to the hoops. Insert the hoops into the soil along the sides of your raised bed, spacing them about 3 to 4 feet apart. Drape the row cover fabric or greenhouse plastic over the hoops, ensuring it extends to the ground on all sides. Secure the fabric to the hoops using clips or clamps. Your low tunnel is now complete. Section 7. Caring for your raised bed garden. Simple maintenance tips. Maintaining your raised bed garden and low tunnels is easy and rewarding. Water your plants regularly, especially during dry spells. The soil in raised beds tends to dry out faster than traditional garden beds. Check the moisture level by sticking your finger into the soil. If it feels dry to the touch, it's time to water. Fertilize your plants every few weeks with a balanced organic fertilizer. This will provide them with the nutrients they need to grow strong and healthy. Remove any weeds that pop up in your raised beds to prevent them from competing with your vegetables for nutrients and water. Section 8, extending the season, using low tunnels for year-round gardening. One of the most exciting aspects of low tunnels is their ability to extend the growing season. With a little planning, you can enjoy fresh, homegrown produce almost year-round. In the fall, plant cool season crops like spinach, lettuce, kale and carrots under low tunnels. These cold, hardy vegetables can withstand light frosts and even some snow cover. The low tunnel will provide additional warmth and protection, allowing them to continue growing throughout the winter.